Today on World Famous Foods, quick cheeseburger. Check us out. Alright folks, now our ground beef, some onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, and because it's that time of year, some cayenne pepper. Mix this all up. Some Worcestershire sauce. That time of the year means it's 4th of July, baby. I'm getting this ready for the night. Okay, now we're gonna put more patties. Okay, now it's time to cook our burgers. Alright, so we got some butter in the pan. For our bread, we're using regular sliced bread. Don't like those hamburger buns anyway. Now we're gonna flip our bread. We got our bacon going there also. Look at it. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some horseradish. Yeah. Nice crunch. Using pepper jack cheese. We have our burger. And some bacon. Tomato. Lettuce. Look at that, folks. Quick and easy cheeseburger. Folks, here it is. Quick and easy cheeseburger. Just added some bacon to it.